Hey guys, Joel here, and I am going to make a video on how to make a Lego Technic trying to think what the name was. Balisong, you think? Yeah, balisong butterfly knife. Actually pretty cool. Some of these pieces you can only find in the Lego Mindstorm sets. Like this piece right here, you can only find it in the Lego Mindstorm set, I think. So yeah. Let's go ahead and get right on in. So I got four, I think 15 long. Hold on, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Nope, wait. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Yeah, 4 15 longs. I got 2 of these blue pieces and 2 of these kind of like tannish, I think. I don't know. I have this like really small one. Come on, focus. Okay. But yeah. We have one of the one piece that I just showed you that I think that you can only find in Lego Mindstorms. This I also think that you can only find in Lego Mindstorms. Sorry, I'm shaking. This well, I'm not really sure. I think this is like the third to long. No, this is the longest gray one, and this is the middlest gray one. That came out weird. We have 6 of these little pieces. We have this one black piece. Yeah. So what you're gonna need first is only 2. Okay? And you're also gonna need 3 of the little gray pieces. You're gonna need 1 of these, and go ahead and make that out. Here, let me. This is gonna be hard with the camera in my hand. Crap. I'm not getting it. There we go. Put that through there. Now it should be secure. Go ahead and grab this one. So basically what you want to do is just put 2 of these on there, along with 3 of these, with one of these, yeah. So, sorry, I'm having to do this with a camera in my hand, and it is really hard. I'm just trying to figure out ways I can do it. I would be secure, jeez. Okay, here we go. Back. Okay. Now it should be secure. Go ahead and put the second one on, like that. And then put the last one of these little devils on. Jeez. So now it should look like this. You can spin it really. I just hit the camera. Crap. But, yeah. So, you want to go ahead and make 2 of these. Since I don't really know how to pause recording on one of these really, really small cameras, I'm just going to do the second one on camera. Which is pretty much pain. Oh, jeez. Wait. Am I able to do this? Once again, I'm just trying to find ways to do it.